Are you a field service business owner constantly juggling job scheduling, invoicing, and then dreading the mountain of paperwork that comes with payday? Ever wondered if there's a single solution that could simplify all of that, especially when it comes to payroll? Specifically, does ServiceM8 do payroll? It's a question we hear often, and for good reason. In the fast-paced world of field service, efficiency is king. Every minute spent on administrative tasks is a minute not spent on a job, not serving a client, and not growing your business. Payroll, with its intricacies of hours, rates, deductions, and compliance, can be one of the biggest time sinks. So, it's natural to look for a tool that can streamline this crucial process. ServiceM8 is renowned as a powerful job management app, designed specifically for trades and service businesses. It excels at helping you manage your entire workflow from the initial client call to the final payment. Think about it. Creating digital job cards, scheduling staff with drag-and-drop ease, tracking your team's GPS location in real time, dispatching urgent jobs, quoting and invoicing on site, tracking time spent on jobs, accepting contactless payments, completing job checklists, capturing signatures, reviewing job and client history, saving notes, photos and videos, producing PDF forms, and communicating with clients via email and text. It's a comprehensive suite that aims to cut down on paperwork and get you paid faster. But when we talk about payroll, we're entering a slightly different realm. Payroll isn't just about tracking hours. It involves calculating gross pay, deducting taxes, superannuation, sick leave, annual leave, and potentially other benefits, then issuing payslips and submitting information to tax authorities. It's a specialized function that requires precision and adherence to ever-changing regulations. So, back to our core question. Does ServiceM8 do payroll? The short answer is, ServiceM8 doesn't offer a full, built-in payroll processing system in the same way that a dedicated payroll software like Xero Payroll, QuickBooks Payroll, or MYOB Payroll does. You won't find a module within ServiceM8 where you can directly run your entire payroll cycle, calculate taxes, and issue direct deposits. However, and this is a crucial however, ServiceM8 plays an incredibly significant role in streamlining the data collection that feeds into your payroll process. This is where its true value lies for payroll. Let's break down exactly how ServiceM8 contributes to making your payroll easier, even without handling the full process itself. Firstly, time tracking is a core strength. ServiceM8 offers robust time tracking capabilities. Your field staff can easily clock on and off their shifts directly within the ServiceM8 app. More than that, it has automated time tracking features. This means ServiceM8 can automatically check in and out of jobs based on GPS location, and even clock staff on and off their shifts when they arrive at the office or a scheduled job. If staff forget to clock on or off, ServiceM8 can even assess their activity and suggest appropriate times to roll back to. This isn't just about billable hours for invoicing. It's about accurate shift time tracking for payroll. The level of detail it captures, including travel time and time spent on site, is invaluable. Imagine the time saved not having to manually reconcile paper timesheets or rely on imprecise memory. Secondly, automated payroll timesheets export. This is where the magic happens in terms of integration. ServiceM8 can export these meticulously tracked staff timesheets directly to popular accounting packages that do handle payroll. The primary integrations it supports are Xero, a widely used cloud accounting software with its own comprehensive payroll functionality. QuickBooks Online, another leading cloud accounting solution with integrated payroll services. MYOB, Australia, and New Zealand, a popular accounting platform in those regions, also offering payroll. This means that instead of manually entering hours from ServiceM8 into your payroll system, you can often export the data with a few clicks. This significantly reduces data entry errors and saves countless hours of administrative work. The accurate time data from ServiceM8 populates the timesheets in your chosen accounting software, making the actual payroll calculation process much smoother and faster. Thirdly, integration with dedicated payroll platforms. Beyond the direct accounting software integrations, ServiceM8 also integrates with specialized employee scheduling and people management platforms like Deputy. If your business has more complex rostering or timesheet requirements, integrating ServiceM8 with a platform like Deputy can further enhance your workflow. ServiceM8's clock on and clock off times can automatically be recorded in Deputy as timesheets, which then feed into Deputy's more advanced payroll management features. This offers an additional layer of flexibility for businesses with more intricate payroll needs. Fourthly, reduced errors and improved accuracy. Manual data entry is a breeding ground for errors. When you're dealing with employee wages, even a small mistake can lead to significant headaches, from incorrect payments to compliance issues. By automating the transfer of time tracking data from ServiceM8 to your payroll system, you drastically reduce the chance of human error. This leads to more accurate payslips, happier employees, and less stress for you. Fifthly, compliance assistance. While ServiceM8 doesn't ensure compliance with all payroll regulations, that's the job of your dedicated payroll software or accountant. It provides the foundational data needed for compliance. Accurate time records are crucial for adhering to labor laws regarding minimum wage, overtime, breaks, and leave entitlements. ServiceM8's detailed time tracking helps you maintain a clear audit trail of employee hours, which can be invaluable in case of any queries or audits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.